Shelly, welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and reviews. So in today's video I'll show you a hair extension review. So in previously also I have shown a lot of hair extension, but in today's video I'll show you a human hair extension which I have ordered from Amazon. So this one is the hair extension. This one is 100% human hair extension. So let's open it and see. So I have never tried before the human hair extension. So let's open it and see. So this is the hair extension. It's from Remy Hair, the natural soft on company. This is how. So it's a clip-on hair extension. Yeah. This one is like a long. It comes with 1, 2. Oh, it comes with like so many pieces. 3 pieces. Oh, 3, 4. 4 pieces. But I'll use 1. Let me see. So you can see this is in the back side. It's like clip-on hair extension. This is really easy. So I'm adding 1. Let me add another. So it will give more volume to my hair. Let me add another one. So this one. It's like different from my natural color, but yeah, anyway it's super easy and looks nice. So in case you guys are looking for this hair extension, yeah, you can try this one. I think for dark hair it's like a little bit vary from my color, but you can try this one.
Yeah, I think it looks decent on you.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it doesn't have too many colors like orange, green,
Yeah,
pink.
it's like a
It is only one.
little bit highlighting, so it's okay.
Yeah. Looks nice.